everybody, it's Mario. I'm sorry for the last video that I called myself Mario because I kind of got a little overcarried and now I'm getting charged for money. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get Dodo bird. Oh, I can't wait to play with my Play-Doh. Dodo, what are you doing? I want to play with my Play-Doh. No, you're gonna make a mess. I'm not gonna make a mess. I grew up since 10 weeks ago. Wow. Well then, tell me why you're so colorful. Because I make a mess with Play-Doh. With the Play-Doh, I'm not gonna do it today. Oh my. You know what? Go ahead. Have a blast with the Play-Doh. Go ahead. Yay. Bye now. Okay. So, I'm ready to go play with the Play-Doh. She said, don't spill a mess. She said, if I spill anything, I'm going to murder you. Okay, so now I gotta get some out. Okay, now we're gonna slowly mold this. Slowly. So far, so good. Oh, I filled it. Champagne. I'm gonna be so mad. I know. All right, that's it. Get it away. I'm sweeping you off. What the heck are you doing? Nothing. I'm just practicing my speaking skills whenever I become a woman. What? What are you doing? You sound like you're trying to hide something. I'm not trying to hide something. Did you make a mess? Yeah, I did. Look, everyone, right here. I got that little tiny drop. I'm sorry. What the frick is that? Oh, get back here. 2 minutes later. Go away. No. I'm on top of the camera. Get off the camera. No. Stop. Never. Ow, my arm. How come crap on your arm? Stop, though. You don't ruin a fabulously perfect peacock. Anyways, I need to clean up my mess. Okay. So, I'm trying to find where the cup is. Here we are. Here it is. Okay. Now, put the little mess in. You can see it right there. And then, here we go. Put it in there. Cover it over. The mess is all done. No. What? There's no more mess right here. Look, there's some stuff right here. Look, how long there? Ow, I think you stapled my face in. Oh, I think I stapled my face into number 1. Whoa, did I? You look so funny. Shut up. Clean up. Well, clean up. 2 hours later. I'm almost done. 1 hour later. Okay, I'm almost done. 3 later. Done. It took you freaking 6 hours! Well, wouldn't it have taken you that long? Okay, no. Okay, yeah, I swear to God, I am done with you. Okay, what was the one more thing? What? Shit face. No, that face isn't gonna work on me. Illuminati confirmed.